Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Java Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: file class to check and read the data from a file. So using file class, we are going to check whether file exists in our system or not. If the file exists, we are going to read the data from a file. If the file does not exist, we'll display the message to the user saying that file is not available in the system. Right. So for this, we'll have a small revise. What are IO streams in Java? So first of all, IO. So IO stands for input output. Then what is stream? So stream is nothing but flow of data from source to destination in a Java program. So in Java, we have two types of streams. First one, input stream, and second one, output stream. So coming to the input streams. So input streams are nothing but reading streams. So what are reading streams? So reading streams will be reading the data from source to Java program, and generally the source is keyboard. From keyboard, we are going to read the data into Java program. And second one, output streams. So output streams are nothing but writing streams. So what is the use of writing streams? So writing streams, they will write the data from Java program into the destination. So Java program onto the destination, and generally the destination is monitor or display, right, or output screen. And to work with input output streams, we have java.io package. So in java.io package, we have different input stream classes and different output stream classes. So using these classes, we can perform reading and writing operations in our program. So now let us try to understand how to work with file class to check whether a file exists in our program or not. And if it is existing, then we are going to read the data from a file. So first of all, file class is available in java.io package. And next, what is the specialty of file class? So file class is not inherited from either input stream class or output stream class, but it is part of Java IO streams, that is java.io package. So what is the use of this class? So this class is used to work with files and folders in our computer system, same like operating system files and folders. For example, we can open a file and check its attributes. Attributes means read only, write only, hidden. So we can get the path of the file, name of the file, check whether it is a file or folder, parent folder. What is a parent folder? Creating new folders, deleting files or folders. So this is what is the use of file class. So just like operating system files and folders, we can also work with our file class, file or folder. Now coming to the constructors and methods of this class, if we see the description of the class, we have two important constructors. Open the command prompt, go to your working directory and issue the command java p -p java.io.file. Right. So it is a very big class. Here we have many methods, but as of now, we are going to use only few methods from here. Right. So file class, it is not inherited from either input stream class or output stream class, but it is a part of java.io package. And coming to the constructors, these are the two important constructors: file class, string, file name as parameter. Next, file class constructor, string, file name as parameter, and another string indicates, so first string indicates file path, and second string parameter indicates file name, path plus file name. So it will get access to that particular file in our program. So here we are going to use methods like exists. Okay, so using exists method, we are going to check whether file is there or not. Okay, right. So now we are going to use this method exists. So the return type of exists is Boolean. It will return true or false. And we can also check whether our given file is normal file or it is a directory or folder, right? And we can also create a new file. So it is possible to create a new file for us. So create new file, it will return true or false. And we can also delete a file, right? So now let us try to create a new file, okay, using this method, and it throws IOException, right? So take this method. If it is existing, no need to create a file. If it does not exist, we can also create a file. Even this is possible. This is one of the important method. But what we are going to do is, if it is exist, we are going to read. If it does not exist, we'll just display as of now file does not exist, right? So for this, we are going to use a program file class example2, and a program to use file class to check and read data from a file. So let us take a new page. So first we'll write the comments. Program to use file class to check and read the data from that particular file. So take the main class with main method. So the main class is file class example2. So save this program in our working directory. So save it as file class example2.java. Right. So let us take the file name as input from the keyboard. So system.out.println, enter any file name. Now for accepting input from keyboard, we'll use data input stream. So data input stream dis is equals to new data input stream. And for this, we'll pass system.in as parameter. So it will accept the input from keyboard. So dis dot read line. It will read one line of text from keyboard, and that will save it in fname. So fname is of type string. Now since we are using data input stream, import java.io.star. Right, so let us put this in try and then catch. Any exception, it will be processed by exception class object reference E, and print exception type and message E. Right. So now once we got the file name, we will associate this file name with file class. So file class ff is equals to new file class constructor, and for this we are passing the file name as parameter. So now we will check if ff dot exists, if that file is there in our working directory, if else, right? And finally we'll close the data input stream dot close. and we'll also close ff.close. Right. So if the file exists, we'll print it as system.out.println. So we'll write it here, file exists in system, and we'll read the data from the file. Otherwise, we'll print the message as file does not exist in system. Right, so save this program, go to command prompt, compile, file example, so file class example 2.java. Right, so take it as file class example2.java. Right, so cannot find symbol close. Okay, right, so in file class we don't have the close method here, so no need to close the file class. It will be automatically closed once we are done with that block of code. Right, so save it, recompile, no error, we just got a warning, we can ignore that and run it. So we'll enter a file name demo1.txt, file exists in system. Once again, demo2.txt, file exists. Next, demo3.txt. Now this file is not there in our system. Okay, so we'll try to read the data from demo1.txt. Clear screen. So once we enter demo1.txt, we are going to read the data from a file. So for reading the data from a file, we'll use file input stream. FIS is equals to new file input stream, and we are going to pass the file name here, fname. So the file will be opened by file input stream, and we're going to read the data from file into our byte array. So first of all, we'll get the size of the file. Int size is equals to fis.available. Once we get the size of the file, we'll declare the size of byte array. B is equals to new byte array of size. So whatever is the size of the file, we are taking byte array size also same, and just fis.read byte array B. So the complete file data will be read into byte array B, and then we'll convert this byte array into string. So string ss is equals to, okay, sing something like file data is equals to new string of byte array B. So byte array will be converted into string using string class object and constructor, and then print file data. So system.out.println, take a new line, file data, and print file data variable. That's it. And finally, we can close file input stream. Right. So save this program, go to the command prompt, recompile it. So no error, we just got a warning, ignore it, run. So we'll take demo1.txt. So file exists in the system. This is the file data. Hello students, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. Have a nice day. All the best. Take care. Goodbye. Now we'll give something like demo3.txt. File does not exist in system. So file does not exist, it will come to the else part. So does not exist in the system. So this is how we are supposed to work with file class to check whether a file exists in our system or not. If the file exists, we are going to open that file using file input stream and read the data from file into our Java program. So thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.